One.
Good afternoon and welcome to Conneaut State Scenic and Wild River up in northeast Ashtabula County, Ohio. My name is Officer Majewski with the Division of Watercraft. We're here today to talk to you a little bit about the State Scenic River and how it came to be. It was actually designated a scenic river and it is also designated a wild river, which is only one of the 3 rivers in the entire state to receive that designation. The river itself covers 21 miles from the Pennsylvania-Ohio border to about where we're standing today on the river. The name Conneaut actually means place of many fish, which is very true. It is home to 78 species of fish. One of those popular species that most people go fishing for is the popular steelhead. So, the popular way of catching steelhead, you can either troll for them, or obviously you can wade the bank and try fly fishing. One of the things that we look for, especially with the people that are trolling, is life jackets. A very important piece of equipment, and one of the options that you have of wearing is actually what's called a float coat. It is a Coast Guard approved flotation device. You do actually have to be wearing it for it to be legal. And the nice thing about it is, not only is it Coast Guard approved, it will keep you warm and dry, and it does satisfy the legal requirement of having a life jacket on board. One of the things that we're concerned with this time of year is called hypothermia. It is your body's ability to produce heat and actually maintain that heater inside your core. If that shuts down because you got cold or wet, it does produce a very real problem. The float coat is an excellent example of being able to defeat that problem on the river. As with anything else, make sure you don't overload your vessel. Make sure you follow all fishing rules and regulations. Make sure you have your fishing license and all the rest of the equipment that's required. With that, I hope you've enjoyed this little segment, and we'll see you on the river.